Good insulation protects your home from more than just cold weather. Boosting your home's insulation is a great way to keep the cold from creeping in during the winter and keeping your cool air inside during the summer months. It also improves energy efficiency and can significantly lower your heating bills. Here are some simple do-it-yourself insulation projects that require a modest amount of time and effort for a big payoff. Enjoy a warmer home this winter. Number 1, get a door snake? Ugh. I'd rather call this putting a wind block at the bottom of your door. Hold your hand near the crack at the bottom of your door and on a cold day, and if you feel a cold draft and cold air coming in, then it's costing you. Place something warm against the bottom of the door, like a rolled up blanket or towel. You can also buy these draft blockers from your local hardware or department store. Number 2, hang heavy curtains. Light flowing curtains might look nice in the summer, but winter weather calls for something a little hardier. Hanging curtains of heavier material, like flannel or velvet, helps insulate your windows, keeping that precious heat inside where you want it. Number 3, seal up your windows. A lot of cold air can seep into your house through the tiny gaps and cracks around the windows. Seal these gaps with weather stripping, narrow pieces of vinyl, rubber, foam, or metal, and be sure to check around the door frames as well. It's also a good idea to install storm windows in the fall to provide an extra layer of insulation. Number 4, caulk around the dryer and bathroom vents. This is a place where dryer and bathroom vents enter your house is often overlooked air leaks. These vents often go years without being properly sealed, which can cost you a lot on your heating bills in the long run. Check your vents for proper seal is an easy home improvement job. Make sure you have a tube of caulk on hand to make that seal a little more secure. Number 5, add attic insulation. The door of your attic must be well insulated to prevent heat from rising and only warming the attic. Adding insulation is a surprisingly simple job, whether you plan to install rolled insulation or spread some loose paper insulation. If you have a door on the ceiling that leads to the attic, you can easily install an insulating from seeping through that door. 6. Insulate your water heater. Your water heater could be another source of energy loss, especially if it's an older model or isn't insulated properly. Adding an insulation blanket to your water heater can cut your heating bill by as much as 16%. Be sure to check whether you have a gas or an electric water heater before attempting this insulation. The insulation will need to be installed differently depending upon the type of water heater. Hey, if you like these tips and find them useful and valuable, please subscribe to my channel and click that like button. I am your heartfelt realtor, Lana Burnley, providing you with the knowledge to help you maintain your home. And please don't forget that one of my greatest joys comes from working and being trusted with your referrals.